Now, 4 months ago to the day, to the hour, in fact, the Dane County Clerk's Office was issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples as fast as they could. Today, though, there is a calm at the office.
Yeah, with the legal fight over for all intents and purposes, same-sex couples no longer have to race against court rulings. And News 3 reporter Dave Delozier is outside the clerk's office with more. And Dave, quite a different scene today from 4 months ago.
Eric, very, very different indeed. While the clerk's office here was ready to start issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples this morning, it wasn't until late morning that anyone even came in the door.
I didn't expect this morning to be particularly eventful.
The clock on the wall of the Dane County Clerk's office marked a moment of change.
This is a huge victory for all those couples that have been denied their basic human rights. They now can be recognized as equals like they should have been for a long time.
When the U.S. Supreme Court announced they would not hear arguments to strike down same-sex marriage, the Dane County Clerk's office prepared to start issuing licenses, only for the better part of the morning, no one showed up to ask for one. Finally, just before noon, the first of two couples arrived. It marked a change from 4 months ago today.
We waited in line, and we were couple 34.
4 months ago, Jackie and Don Scott Papke raced to the Dane County Clerk's office to get married.
There was definitely a sense of urgency because we figured it was going to go away.
And within days, same-sex marriage was back in legal limbo, waiting for the U.S. Supreme Court to decide.
Every day. I thought about it every day. I think it felt kind of crummy to be like, well, you're married, but you're not really married.
Today's announcement by the U.S. Supreme Court to not hear arguments settled the issue once and for all.
I ran over to, I have a good friend who's a colleague of mine, and I ran over her offices across the hall. I said, guess what? We're legally married again, because this is the third time now. You know, I'm like, oh, it's the third time. And she's like, yay, and she gave me a hug again.
Now, after 4 months of waiting and wondering, it is over.
I don't think it's sunk in yet that it's finally over. I think as soon as we actually get our names changed, and when I can put my wife down as my wife, when I fill out the benefits paperwork, I think that's going to be the moment for me when it's like, wow, it's real now. We don't have to worry about this anymore.
Now, again, this may not quite be over quite yet. The State Attorney General's office says that those 500 couples who were married in June may still be in legal limbo. The status, to quote the AG, is remains in litigation. And Eric and Michelle, this folks in the clerk's office tell me that late this afternoon, another same-sex couple came in to get a marriage license, which brings the total today to 3. Again, quite a change from 4 months ago.
That is certainly a change. Dave Delozier reporting live for us tonight. Dave, thank you.